Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Financeable. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fund your MetaTrader 5 account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your MetaTrader 5 application and log into your account. Then make sure that you are logged into your broker's portal. From there, locate deposit section. Look for the section that is labeled deposit, funding or my wallet. Choose your MT5 account that you want to fund. Then choose your preferred deposit method from which the available option. Enter the amount and details. Specify the amount that you want to deposit and follow the instruction for choosing payment method, which might involve entering card details, account information or confirming transaction. Once you have entered all your required information, confirm the deposit. Then your account will be funded. This is how you can fund your MetaTrader 5 account. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.